Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your SoFi account with Rocket Money. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start keeping track of your SoFi finances on Rocket Money. How do you actually connect both of the apps together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Rocket Money app. Next, click on the gear icon in the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Linked Accounts. And then from here, click on Add Institution. Now, this is a list of different financial institutions that you can connect with Rocket Money. Go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find SoFi. Click on SoFi, and then this software called Plaid is going to open up. Plaid is what Rocket Money uses in order to connect to financial institutions. It connects it in seconds and also keeps your data safe. So simply just click on Continue and then follow the on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect SoFi with your Rocket Money app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.